pizza option, because I heard so many people saying that they have been doing pizza at home, but they're having too much cheese on top and not enough options. Here's what I got for you, some alternation and some options. First, if you're making your own pizza dough, that is the best. And if you're getting it from the supermarket of those frozen pizza base, that is okay too. Or you can use naan bread or pita bread. And if you're making mini pizza, you can also use the English muffin. How about that? Have you tried that yet? Now, let's talk about the ingredients. Most people would have all different kind of taste and favorites. I'm talking about the vegetarian or vegan version. Okay, so you have lots and lots of greens, vegetables that you can use, and if you have some roast veggie leftovers, that is a super topping for your pizza, right? If you're after some really strong flavor, you could use, for example, the cauliflower, cut it into small floret, marinated with barbecue sauce and coat it with a little bit of breadcrumbs. If you have an air fryer, pop it in the air fryer for 15 minutes and they will be really crunchy and nice and tasty. You can use that to replace the meatball on top of your pizza. How about that? Okay, now if you don't want to use low-fat cheese, what you can do is use the flavor or the sauce. For example, instead of using the tomato sauce, you could use pasta sauce that has a lot of flavor already in it, or light miso sauce, hummus. What about something interesting? You can blend some vegetables and add some nutritional yeast and make that as the base too. And you can also get the ready-made cauliflower pizza base these days if you look for it in the health food section in the supermarket. Now let's talk about the topping. Other than the tomato, the capsicums, artichoke, asparagus, cauliflower, potato, zucchini, anything that's not too watery, right? Pineapple, some people like it, some people hate it. Your choice. Okay, you can also get those really firm marinated tofu, slice them up and spread it out. That could be interesting. Explore the options. There are plenty if you look. After you baked the pizza, you can top it with colorful green salad leaves, micro leaves, or some strong herbs like mint, rosemary, basil, thyme. They'll be all nice to go with the pizza. All right, so see how you go, and until then, be well, be happy. This is Missy Grace.